Welcome back to Craftalogger friends. This is Sonia here, the design team member, and today we are going to play around with mixed media supplies and create a beautiful panel. Now I have marked with my pencil the center part where I'm going to have another piece of my circular MDF cutout, and on the rest of the areas I will be sticking these beautiful MDF cutouts. Now here I am using my heat glue gun and I will be sticking all these embellishments very nicely on my panel, because later on we have to play around with so many supplies from our store. So of course we need to make sure that these embellishments have sticked really well here. Next step is to add some texture to it. So here I am using my granule texture and I will make sure that I cover up all the plain surfaces. Now the cutouts are really beautiful, so I don't have to add too much of texture to that, but on the plain panels I will be adding some texture, and a bit of here and there texture is really good. Now with the decoupage glue, I am going to add some really beautiful these white pearls, and I'll make sure that these are really get highlighted because these are absolutely beautiful, and do check our store for these pearl stones. Now with a flat brush I am applying my decoupage glue, and I'll make sure that whichever area I want to have my pearls, I have applied enough amount of glue, and then I'm going to stick all these pearls out there. Now the fun part begins, and first to prep up my base, here I am using a black color gesso, and I'll make sure that I cover the complete panel with the black color gesso. Now why do you need a gesso? Gesso is really an important thing when we do mixed media, because it really helps in prepping up your base to have all the nice beautiful shades and varieties of colors and textures on the top of it. Now I will be doing this black color with a flat brush, and I will be using even the round brush to cover up my panel, and I'll make sure that I do not leave any of the areas blank. This is how it looks after drying. It's already looking so gorgeous, but the shades what I have are so amazing that I really wanted to play with them. Now this is the mauve color chalk paint which I'm going to use it. Now I have taken up an acrylic block, and on that I'm going to take up my paint. Now on my paintbrush I do not want any of the excessive paint. Why? Because I am going to use this mauve color just to highlight the shades and the texture of my panel. Now I will be doing these colors only on the sides, and the remaining areas, the main highlight, the wings and the sentiment what I have used on that, I will be using the metallic shades. So on the remaining areas, this mauve color is going to really highlight all my beautiful texture work out there. Now it's time to add some marine blue, and this is a metallic chalk paint, and trust me friends, this is one of my favorite shade, because this is so versatile that you can use this as a blue color, you can use this to give us such a metallic shade, and they look absolutely gorgeous. Now with another paint brush, the flat brush, I am just spreading, and this is only to highlight my texture work, just a bit of touch up work, and they look absolutely gorgeous. Now with this metallic, I am going to highlight my center sentiment and the wings really well, because once my video is finished, then you will realize that the center part is really getting a little more highlighted because of these metallic paints. Now I will be doing good 2-3 coats of mauve here. So once first I have done the mauve color, then now I am doing the metallic shade, and then again I will be doing the mauve color. This is just to make sure that my both the colors are blended well and are highlighted well. So this is how my panel was done, and I really hope that you all enjoyed this tutorial. Of course, if you guys have any query, please do comment below. Our team will be very happy to help you all. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, friends. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.